Let's make the Captain Classic Colada. To make this drink, I am going to start with my coconut cream, and I do make my own coconut syrup. Link to that will be in the description down below if you want to check that out. 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters. 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. And finally, 1.5 ounces of your Captain Morgan Rum. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Add some ice. And, oh, almost lost it all right there. Give it a shake. Now, I'm going to let this sit for just a moment while I crush some ice. Ice crushed, I'm going to fill my glass about halfway. Not coming out of there. About halfway enough. And I'm going to strain my drink into there. And topped off with the last remaining bits of crushed ice that I have. Never getting any more. You too, you too. Garnish. The official garnish is a pineapple wedge. Unfortunately, I neglected to wedge a pineapple before I got here, and I'm not going to do it in the middle of making a drink, so you're just going to have to imagine with me what that would look like. Beautiful, isn't it? Add a straw, and there you have it, the Classic Captain Colada. Drink with good spirits.